hello, it is me, Ferris. Well, I thought I might go out and about today and do something a bit adventurous. I thought I might go zip-lining. No, not off the washing line. If I did that, I might run into my underpants. Ooh, what a mess that would make. I was thinking something a little bit higher than the washing line. Okay, let's go. Whee! Well, he looks strong enough. I suppose we better get attached and get ready to go down.
Safety's off.
Could you give me a countdown, please?
Enjoy in 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Let's do it again. So, the problem of doing a zip line is that once you get down and you want to have another go, you gotta go up again. Right, better start walking. And more walking. I must be nearly there yet. I've been walking for ages. Finally, I made it back up. Strange it takes so long to get up, but so quickly to get down. Better get ready then.
Enjoy your ride.
Could I have a countdown, please?
Enjoy.
3, 2, 1. Perfect landing. Oh well, that was quite enjoyable. Suppose we better get back to the garden. It'll take a bit longer than zip wire this time. Okay, bye-bye.